My name's Lewis Morgan, I'm from a town called Gourock and I play for the Scotland men's national team.
Stephen Reid, London, Scotland national team.
My name's Hayley Lauder, I come from Livingston and I'm a left back for the Scotland women's national team.
Kenny McLean, Glasgow, Scotland.
My name's Alex Dyer, I was born in Forest Gate, London, England.
Hi, I'm Christy Murray, I'm from Bargady. I'm a midfielder and I play with Scotland national team.
The correct answer is true.
The correct answer is...
The correct answer is false.
Are you so there?
The correct answer is false.
Show racism, the red card.
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 Show racism, the red card.